Guys, I just want to show you something I've actually come up in mind today for dinner. I'm using two tins of corned beef here that I got. Then I have a tin of the organic red kidney beans and is diced tomatoes. I also have in here some onions, garlic, and some seasoning of your choice. And you just put some olive oil, fry up the corned beef, get it to this texture. At the end, just sprinkle some cilantro on top. And what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be doing like a corned beef kind of pie. Like, I have a Pyrex here. I'm going to be transferring this over to here. Then I'm going to cover it with some smashed sweet potato, which I'm boiling there. That's to put it in the oven to bake for like 20 minutes until it's golden brown. So here we go. Now I've transferred over to the Pyrex dish here. I'm going to cover it with the mashed sweet potato. Okay guys, here's the sweet potato. I'm gonna just mash it up with a fork. Mash it up, and then we're gonna just add everything on top of corned beef mixture. Okay guys, here's the sweet potato layered on top of the mincemeat. I'm gonna put this in the oven now for like 20 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. So here we go, we're gonna put this in the oven now. Put it at the bottom. Put it in there for 20 minutes. Bake nicely there.